Hello everyone, Small Farm 6710, and today we're doing Rathmore Farm Day 2025 Season 6. So in today's video episode, we're clearing out the shed here, and with David Brown on the yard scraper, cleaning out the muck, and we'll be muck spreading it when the New Holland is putting the ring feeder out into the field here. Be loading up the Belmac and the 6610, and there's not much left in the silage pit, but it's mainly just mouldy stuff, so we might put it out in the spreader or just bring it to waste, because this mouldy stuff is no use to the cattle. Over here in the gravel pit, there's PJ's 956 on the NC dumper, just unloading a big load of rubble there from the demolishing the workshop. Then here we have our TW15 on the Lambkin 5 reversible, just ploughing this the 20-acre field here, and we'll be sowing it later in the week. So yeah, so a lot of change in PJ's yard. You might see his new shed has been built. Now you have to excuse me because I didn't paint the inside because I didn't have any grey. So because none of the hardware shops or woodies aren't open, so I can't really get paint anywhere to paint the inside or the floor. So you have to excuse me for that, but other than that, it's quite a simple shed. In there, that little room in there, that's supposed to be the tea room for the workers, or if you want to have a cup of tea. I still need to put more decorational features in here, but there's a Strathman sticker or sign there. But what's in here is the 135 project and the class baler in there, and the 1490. And so PJ and his son are just taking a few parts out of the back of the Land Rover for the 135, but he'll have to put he's gonna have to sew a fence a fence or a hedge alongside here. But yeah, the builders are leaving the yard here, loading up their big their new X series JCB onto the low loader, 6 210 orders there, and then we have their 3140 just sweeping the yard. TJ moved the sheep, another ewe lamb there a few nights ago, and not a twin, but just one lamb. The contractors are in sowing a bit of spring barley for PJ at the moment. And then last thing, we have our 7810 doing a bit of rolling with the Fleming roller for his silage ground for PJ. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.